am Naomi Andrea Sanitas, your reporter for today, and I will discuss about Model of Environmental Threats and Understanding a Firm's General Environment. Model of Environmental Threats. As a theoretical framework, CSP model has been proven to be very useful in forming both research and government policy. This model identified the 5 most common threats presented by firms in their local competitive environment and their condition under which these threats are more likely to be present. Environmental threats. An environmental threat is any individual, group, or organization outside from firm that seeks to reduce the level of firm's performance. Threats increase a firm costs, decrease firm's revenues, or in other ways, reduce some firm performance. The 5 environmental threats. Profit potential of industry. Number 1. Threats of supplier leverage. Number 2. Threats from superior of lower cost substitutes product. Number 3. Threats from competition among existing companies. Number 4. Threats from new competition. Number 5. Threats from buyer's influence. Understanding a firm's general environment. Any analysis of threats and opportunities facing a firm must begin with understanding of the general environment within which a firm operates. This general environment consists of broad trends in the context with which a firm operates that can have impact of the firm's strategic choices. A firm's general environment. A firm's general environment defines the broad contextual background within which it operates. Understanding this general environment can help a firm identify some of the threats and opportunities it's facing. However, the general environment often has big impact on the firm's threats and opportunities through its impact on firm more local environment. Thus, while analyzing a firm general environment, it is an important step in any application of the strategic management process. This general analysis must be accompanied by the analysis of firm more local environment and the threats of opportunities facing a firm are to be fully understood. The next session discuss specific goals of analyzing a firm local environment of the theoretical perspective these tools has been derived. The 6 interrelative elements. Technological change. Technological change creates both opportunities as firms begin to explore how to use technology to create new products and services and threats. As a technological change forces firms to rethink their technological strategies. Demographic trends is a distribution of individuals in the society in terms of age, sex, marital status, income, ethnicity, and other personal attributes that may determine buying patterns. Understanding the basic information about the population can help the firm determine whether its product or services will appeal to customer and how to potential customer for this product or services it may have. Cultural trends. Cultural trends, the values, beliefs, and norms that guide the behavior in a society. These values, beliefs, and norms define what is the right and wrong in society, what is acceptable and unacceptable, what is fashionable and unfashionable. Failure to understand change in culture or differences between cultures can have a very large impact on the ability of the firm to gain a competitive advantage. Economic climate. The economic climate is the overall health of the economic system within which a firm operates. The health of the company varies over time is the same pattern. Period of relative prosperity with demand of the goods and services is high and employment is low, are followed by period of relative low prosperity when demand for goods and services is low and unemployment is high. When activities and economy is relatively low, the economy is said to be recession. A reserve recession that lasts for several years is known as a depression. The alternating pattern of prosperity followed by recession followed by prosperity is called the business cycle. Condition. Legal and political condition. The legal and political dimension of the organization general environment are the laws and the legal system impact on the business together with the general nature of the relationship between government and businesses. Specific international events. This includes events such as civil wars, political coups, and terrorism, wars between countries, famines, and countries or regional economic recession. All of these specific events can have enormous impact of the ability of the firm's strategy to generate a competitive advantage.